creative agency work was almost entirely in-house. The team did it all: strategy and writing, graphics, audio, video, podcasts, editing, all the post-production. We had equipment everywhere, always a handful of cameras and mics and lights to hand. The office manager asked us to kindly tidy it all away. And at the end of a corridor of bookshelf storage, we found a small space that was ours and ours alone, and created Studio 20. It was on the 20th floor, a place where we could imagine, craft and produce our work. Everyone needs a Studio 20. Of the body, a location to call your own, or the mind, a place of escape and release, a place of protection and safety. Where is that place that you can call your own to disorganize? A whiteboard, the spare bedroom, the office cafeteria. Find a place called home. Hey, thanks for watching. I will post each of the 99 episodes to the social channels listed here. I would love to hear your thoughts on these disorganizer topics. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow below. How can I help?